We're going there to go fucking snowboarding today with the boys. Yeah. Well, this is Chimborazo, guys. Chimborazo. Chimborazo, no lo creo. Ya que chucha we out here, cuz. It's the rest of our party. Just showed up. That's right. What's up, guys? It's Blackjack Buck. I know we're normally skateboarding, but today we're on a different excursion. We've got the crew over here. We must be, I think, already at fucking 15,000 some feet elevation. I have to check. Actually, we can do that. Here we are at Chimborazo. It's a big ass fucking volcano here in Ecuador. We left Quito this morning at 5 o'clock, 5:30. And yeah, well, we just got here. This is like the base camp thing, more or less. So let's see what we got. All right, so we're starting out at 15,900 feet elevation. I believe the summit of Chimborazo here is about 20,000 feet. And as I mentioned before, I think as measured from the center of the earth, this is actually the tallest mountain in the world. So that's pretty crazy to think about. It's pretty crazy to think that we drove up here to damn near 16,000 feet. And people take those buses up here too. It's fucking crazy. So, alright, we're gonna get off of wide mode here so you can see this a little better, maybe. 20,000 foot peak. We're here at basically 16,000 feet. Ecuador. It's incredible. Already at 16,330 feet, more or less. Alright, guys. We're getting there. We reached the snow. Pretty sure we're probably about 16,500 feet. 16.6. Actually, I checked back there, it was 16.6. So I think now gotta be like shit, 16.8, 16.9. Go out here fucking snowboarding with Erick. Backcountry Ecuador, fucking hit him up. Yeah. If you want to come snowboard in fucking Ecuador and volcano. Shit's sick, dude. We are out here.
Let's go.
We're at like fucking 17, maybe 18,000 feet now. 17,000 and some change. So we're going up a little more and we're gonna see what elevation we're at.
Sí, estamos a 5,300 metros.
5,300 meters. So I'll check it in feet in a bit, but yeah, like 17,300, 400, 500. Check in at the top, bro. Okay, hermano.
Okay, team.
Listo cuando sea. Uy, ya.
Direct from.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Chucha. Oh. ¿Dónde vamos? Oh, me caí como 3, 4 veces. Oh, chucha.
Let's go.
Wow, qué increíble, hermano. Wow. Me dio miedo el momento.
Bueno, acá estamos en el Chimborazo junto a Tim.
Oye, saludos desde muy alto, Ecuador.
¿Puedes mandar una recomendación en inglés para mis amigos del mundo?
If you guys are coming to Ecuador and you want to snowboard, hit up my man Erick right here with Ecuador Backcountry. And dude, come check this out. You got a whole mountain to yourself, a volcano.
Woo! Thank you, bro.
Yeah,
When
man.
you're ready, man.
Alright,
Let's go, Tim. Come on. Come on, Tim. Come on. Come on, let's go. Woo! Ready, man.
Alright, ya que chucha, vamos.
Tim, come on.
Oh, chucha. No. I missed the jump. Ugh. Ah, fuck. Falta la fuerza. Las piernas. Chucha. Mira, la mayor parte de switch. Okay, guys, we're on the round 2 with fucking Erick.
Woo!
Yep, we're at 17,600 feet right now. We came up a little higher than the last round. And shit, bro. We're about to fucking go down, dude. I'm kind of scared, but we'll be all right. At least if I fall, it's in the snow. No es la concreta. Chucha.
Okay, we are here at the closest point to the sun with Tim.
That's right. We're out here, cuz. We're gonna fucking bomb down this volcano and try not to fall.
Okay. Come on, Tim.
Yeah, ¿me sigues?
Yeah.
Okay.
In 3, in 2, 1. Let's go, Tim. Come on. Come on, Tim. Come on. Let's go, Tim. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Woo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, Tim. Let's go. Let's go, Tim. Let's go.
Well, that's a wrap, I think, guys. I think we're getting ready to head down. We went from this one's for you, buddy. We fucking did some cool ass shit today. I'd be sick if you were here, but you are. No. Your remains up with the snow, follow down to the rivers. Provide life, beauty. That rock way up there, down. I'm sure they'll send me some footy. And all the way down there, it was crazy. The video's definitely not going to do it justice, but tell you what will do it justice is if you come to Ecuador and book a trip with, oh my God, with Erick and Ecuador Backcountry Experience. You can find them on Instagram. I'll leave the link below. Come experience this shit, guys. It's so cool. This was it was not even something I anticipated to do. I don't really like snowboarding. But, you know, hit the fucking volcano in Ecuador. And it's a pretty good price. So, you know, and they take care of all the gear and everything. So, great experience. Erick's an awesome dude. We had a sick crew out here. And 10 out of 10. 1,000 out of 10 recommend you guys, if you come to Ecuador and you like snowboarding, fucking hit up the boy. Link below. to the Instagram page where you'll find the WhatsApp number. So yeah, that was sick. We went really high today and we snowboarded for the first time in 7 years. And oh yeah, it's just, look at this view. The view without me in it. It's just incredible. Snowboarding, they're learning. Crazy, bro. And then, boom, Chimborazo. I think this is actually a false summit, which is another peak, but Chimborazo is right behind it. This whole thing is basically, yeah. Chimborazo. Qué chévere. Wow. What? Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.